highlights match. The pitch looks green, still with a bit of grass on. The opening bowlers need to come. We have the captains with us here from the two playing teams. Heads the call. And tails it is. They've decided to bat first and try and post a big total. A chance for the batting line-up to display their fine set of skills. A good opening stand will be the key here. Well, they're just trying to mix it up here a little bit. In comes another quick pace bowler. Crisp as you like, cleanly managed to pull that one away. Well, that's great accuracy. Didn't really get a good look at the stumps. Created a very awkward angle, but was a direct hit. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Flicks it away to the onside this time for more runs. He slings it right into the stumps. Lovely piece of fielding. Opening the tally with a quick single. Bowled it brilliantly. That stroke connects perfectly. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. Loose hands from the bowler. It's been signalled a wide delivery. Good batting. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Just a complete lack of control from the bowler here, resulting in a wide. A very good leave by the batsman. That's gone too wide. It'll be 4 more runs to the batting side. Whacks it hard and straight through extra cover. Nicely driven to the offside covers, but fielder stopped it. No run. He's played it with soft hands and to the onside. He's making it look effortless in the end. A very good effort between the wickets. As they say in fight sports, always go for the legs. The same goes for cricket. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. Gee, that's a good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stumps. Driven straight to the point fielder on the offside, so no runs will be added. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team. He pushes that one onto the mid-wicket for more runs. Gets it in his hands and chucks it right back. Good running. I'm sure the bowlers will smile all the way back to the pavilion. A chance for the batting line-up to display their fine set of skills. A good opening stand will be the key here. Straight loft, just missed the bowler's head. Oh, look out. Yikes. Bracking start. A boundary off his very first encounter. Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. Yeah, that's no good. That's a no ball. That's a batting freebie. The bowler's loss is the batsman's gain. A free hit is signalled, opening the tally with a quick single. That ball went like a rocket to the fence. That's a sure 6 by any standard of ground. Well fielded, and the batsman couldn't get away with it. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. Oh, what a shot! Crowd's gone mad. Her wrist work here secures a victory for his team with that stylish shot. An edge-of-your-seat contest from start to finish. Great show by both teams, but a huge congratulations to the winners. They've been let down by some poor bowling. Some smart work by today's man of the match. A world-class performance with the ball.